Mmm. Watch me. Good job. Watch what you're doing, Kaylin. Good job. Wow, great helping. What a great brother you are. Mace. Good job, guys. Mmm. Not too much on the spoon. Mason's in the mood for applesauce tonight. Mason's in the mood for applesauce. Oh, it's delicious. Let him swallow what he's got. Good job, guys. Is that good, Mace? What a great big brother you have. Wow. You get to sit in the big brother's chair. You get to sit in Kaylin's chair. Mmm. That's really good applesauce, Kaylin. Is he all done? Oh, you're showing him his tummy? He's the belly button inspector.
Because he did this.
Oh, he likes your shirt. Careful, Mace. He's the belly button inspector, isn't he?
Yeah, Mace.
Never mind. You'll see Kaylin's belly button later. He's definitely into his applesauce tonight. It's because Big Brother's feeding him, hey? It's because Big Brother. Uh-oh. That's Kaylin's cup. Good job, guys.